Hey, 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 it's What's Cooking.
What is cooking good looking?
Well, you went down to Chula Seafood and you picked up this crazy amazing looking bluefin tuna. Look how beautiful it is. And it's gorgeous, right? So it's sashimi grade, sushi grade, which means no cooking. And I am going to proceed. So I think I just cut it in half like this, right?
Well, I mean, it depends on, they have it laying flat on its edge and cook it that way. You can cut it that way too. That's essentially
See,
what they
Philip Fredrickson is all of a sudden a sushi pro.
I pay attention.
Okay, so this is a very, very thick piece. Ooh, look at that. So Chef David at the Wrench and Rodent, Lauren, help me. Okay, James. Hey, let's talk about what we did last night.
What did we do?
We went to the Huntress, correct?
Correct.
In the gas lamp.
Correct.
Finally, to have the most indulgent, delicious, phenomenal dinner at the hands of Chef James, the people's chef, correct?
It was ridiculous how crazy it was.
It was so good.
We basically just let him bring us out whatever he wanted to serve.
It was thebomb.com. And they created a beautiful outdoor dining space. I think it's the prettiest one in the gas lamp. And we were completely, like, even if somebody walked by us without a mask, we were easily 10 to 12 feet away from anybody that could possibly walk by. And yes, there were people in the gas lamp that did not have their mask on, just like there's people everywhere that don't. Hey, you know, they're just going to cause us to be locked down longer. Hey, I think I'm doing a pretty darn good job super thinly cutting this. Thanks to Eric Gilman of Cutco Knives for giving me this autographed knife. Mary Beth Kellee, official he said model for sharp retention. I'll just say spokesperson. So you showed Corte de Luz today at Santa Luz.
Did.
And I went to Target, first time in 4 months. I spent 2.5 hours there, and it was just like, I felt like I was in the most exotic department store in the planet Earth. Just to be in Target was so cool. So that was pretty awesome. Bought things we totally don't need. I think I'm doing a pretty good job, Philip. Huh.
Of course you are.
I mean, look. That's like the thinnest I've ever been able to cut this stuff, right?
I don't know. I've had it pretty thin.
I don't know. When I first started doing this, there's going to be bits that you just can't cut. I'm sure that that's normal, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think, you know, like there's pieces that just are they just don't work. I know that like a sushi chef just makes like slicing butter, but that's not me. Okay, so now I'm going to try this piece and see how I do. All right, so I'm going to cut that little corner off, and we will see what we will see. So super fresh seafood still coming in off the boats, right?
Yeah.
Gotta
Beautiful
help
fish.
people. Gotta help all of our local fishermen so they can get back out at sea and catch more fabulous fish. Oh my goodness, they even had live sea urchin, didn't they? When you were
They did,
there?
yeah.
And shrimp and crab and all kinds of crazy stuff. Hey, Auntie Susan. So far, Mackenzie has not put herself, in fact, Bob Kuby is on here as well. So Bob is a Westie owner and a redhead and a realtor, and a share lover. We should be brother and sister. And Auntie Susan is Westie Rescue of Southern California, and she got both Hunter, Skylar, and Mackenzie for me, and Mackenzie for Philip. So, and she just groomed her, and so far no chicken poop and no goose poop, and she's looking pretty fabulous. I can't pick her up because I'm in the kitchen cooking, but don't put her over my food though.
No, I won't.
Keep her in the back. Keep her in the back.
There she is.
She's physically distancing.
Yes, you're a good
Look
dog.
how cute she is.
You're a good dog.
She's a glamour puss. She's such a tomboy. She's not used to being
She's
a glamour
not a
puss.
glamour puss. She's like a
Yes.
scruff monkey.
She's a scruff monkey. She's a total
scruffy
scrapper.
monkey. Oh, there we go.
Uncle Richard took her for a bunch of walks the other day. She didn't even know what the heck was going on. All right, I'm gonna put that little bit over there. I think I'm still okay. Oh, so let's talk about our dinner last night. So Chef James, the first thing that he sent out were these little croquettes, and they were, honest to God, he told me they were mashed potatoes with blue cheese, and then you double bread them, and you must like flash fry them or something, and it was served on like a crazy amount of deliciousness, and mine had
I
cinnamon
don't even
roll.
know what all was on there, but it was so
Oh, it
good.
was so good. It was the amuse bouche. And my bouche was definitely amused. And then he sent out bluefin tartare, but it was the toro, the belly part.
Right.
And he took his sous vide. I got a tickle on my face. I have a tickle on my face. Let me just, a little tickle right there. So he took a watermelon and he sous vide it. And
Did you see Deja?
so he literally cut the toro and the watermelon in the exact same shape and size. So when you were eating it, it was like a mind game. You didn't know if you were eating watermelon or you were eating the toro. It was delicious, super, super good. And then he did a Wagyu beef tartare, which Philip Frederickson typically is not a raw beef type of guy. And I was kind of hoping that he wasn't going to be. Gosh darn it. Hey, Chef Claudia. Chef Claudia is a crazy, amazing top chef in San Diego. And she also has like the coolest magenta hair ever. Wrote a book. She's been on TV all over the place. She's phenomenal and famous. And Chef Claudia, I really could use your knife cutting skills because I'm trying to cut this bluefin tuna that we got at Chula. I'm cutting the wrong part. At Chula on Friday. Yeah, this. I guess you just get to the point where this part won't cut. So we'll just put that aside. Anywho, so we're talking about the Huntress and talking about Chef James last night and what he did at Huntress for our dinner. So then the next course was a Wagyu beef sashimi, right, Philip?
Mm-hmm.
And it had all these really cool, like, organic veggies on it.
It was a quick sear, though.
Yeah.
Did you say that?
I did not.
Okay.
But it was.
Yeah.
And it was so good, like butter. And then, if I'm not mistaken, came out the craziness, right?
Right.
So the tomahawk, which
32 ounce.
32 ounce tomahawk that he sous vide in a butter bath for 15 minutes. I believe it's 15 minutes at 149 degrees because he called me today and told me. And, okay, I'm just going to cut this and hope that I'm not doing a bad thing. All right. I'm going to cut that piece right there. And then I go against the grain, correct? Against the grain, if anybody's paying attention here. So anywho, it came out sliced and it had like these delicious mushrooms. Oh yeah, I got this. Yay, Philip, I got it. So I made it into that kind of cube thing, which I think is what you do, and I'm going against the grain and I think it's working. Finally, I'm not bastardizing this. Beautiful, oh my gosh. Do you want to taste it? Philip.
Yeah.
That's the sharp piece of the knife, so you know. Tummy, tummy, tummy. I haven't had one bite of food all day. I'm starving. I'll eat a piece that's over here that I can't really cut very well.
Oh, we should give me one of those.
Oh, okay. Pretty fresh. It was literally on the boat.
You saw something. Yeah. Or day before.
I was on the boat when Philip was down there. That's awesome. Super fresh. Okay. So what I'm going to do is make sashimi. I'm going to try to channel Chef David at Wrench and Rodent. So once I get this all cut, we're going to have, there's a lot of it. Wow, look how much I'm making. Crazy. Oh, and I finally found the little papers, the little seaweed papers, so you can make like individual little bites. I'm going to use nectarines, jalapenos, avocado, orange zest, and I'm going to sprinkle sesame seeds. This is ice cold. My fingers are freezing. Oh, so let's talk about Chef Melanie, the crazy, crazy pastry chef that brought those 2 desserts. Weren't those amazing?
Mm-hmm.
One was, it looked like a mushroom and it was under glass and it had like smoke coming around it.
But it was like a freezing thing.
Yes.
You know, like frozen steam or something
It was
like
so
that.
cool.
I don't know what that is.
Yeah.
Frozen steam. But
It was really cool. And Starla, who's on, her daughter, Chef Santana, is the executive pastry chef. She used to be with Gordon Ramsay, and she is the executive chef at Searsucker downtown in the Gas Lamp. So it's a lot of chefs. We love our chefs. Love, love, love. Support them and know that there's so many safe protocols out there right now. People need us to support them so they don't go out of business. Okay, this is a nectarine I'm going to cut up. All right. And I'm going to do it really thin, like Julian. Not really Julian, because I don't know how to do that, but I'm going to
is
do
it
it.
Julian or Julianne?
I don't know. I have no idea. Hey, Chef Deborah taught me a bunch of things the other day when we were at Costera.
Some terminology.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
That was pretty cool.
Couldn't tell you one of them.
I know, I can't remember. I need her to text me.
They were
Write it
a
down.
funky name. I'm like, what?
I know, I'm like, Gwen will remember. Gwen knows all that stuff. Something about that place where you set up the table, or set the plates and place the plates with all their stuff, plate the plates. There's a French word for that, but I can't remember it. I'm also going to hit this with a little citrus so that it doesn't brown. Okay, so we've got nectarines going. I'm slicing them thin, I'm getting better at it. Okay, Philip Fredrickson,
What?
what did you like the best last night?
Well, the steak. I don't know how you could not choose the steak, but that seared
Wagyu?
wagyu. It wasn't tartare. The seared wagyu sashimi was pretty darn amazing.
It was amazing.
Yeah.
It was so
I mean,
good.
that other tartare was good too, but I can't get past knowing that it's just raw beef.
Yeah, but you ate it. You ate more than I wanted you to.
I did.
I was
eat
like,
it.
I hope he's not going to eat this, and gosh darn it, he took it down. I'm like, wait a second.
But you know, the actual sashimi was really good. The tartare, the tuna, was excellent.
It was excellent. I
But
want to learn
you
how.
know, I got to tell you that it would be hard for me to pick. The steak I'm going to pick because that's just crazy. But every other dish was super good. It would be hard for me to pick my favorite.
How come you're not?
But it's not the tartare. That's not my favorite. But it
Okay,
was
that
so
was his
good.
least favorite. We get that,
But it was so good.
but it was still so good.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right, fair enough. And of the 2 desserts, so decadent. Oh my goodness, we're not used to eating such decadent desserts.
I don't even want to talk about them.
They were really delicious though, and beautiful. So pretty. So today, I will post the link as well, but at 6 p.m. our time on Pacific Coast time, Jay Rodriguez, Emmy Award-winning Queer Eye for a Straight Guy, is going to be hosting the Digital Daytime Emmy Awards. So that's pretty kick-ass, right?
Pretty cool.
And he's in a studio all by himself, like completely set up that everything is safe and physically distant and the whole 9 yards. Can't wait to see. And we're gonna go to our clients today that we closed escrow on and drop off a little something something. And in addition to that, I'm gonna give these to the Chicky Chews. They love fruit. They're fruit cakes. They really do love it. Okay, so this I'm gonna wrap up and put away. These little bits are not able to be sliced. And wash my hands again. How's everybody doing? Hopefully hi Dean. Hey Dean, if you know the link for Jay's show at 6 o'clock, would you mind typing it in so people can watch it? That would be awesome. Philip has, oh, that was Philip checking it. So if you can type that in, Dean, it would be so helpful. All right, I'm gonna also slice up some citrus. So see, I've got two big piles of stuff going on here. And I'm just gonna thinly slice the orange slices. Jessica, the creator and the brains behind the plot up in Oceanside, 100% vegan, and her husband, Chef David, Wrench and Rodin and the plot, she told me that Chef David would help me figure out how to cut fish better. So I just don't want to ruin this beautiful stuff. And Chef Tommy, or I always call Tommy Gomes Chef. Tommy Gomes, the fishmonger in San Diego, he's doing great things down there on the docks, helping everybody. Ooh, this smells so delicious and refreshing. We may need some better avocados. These avocados are not looking so great. Okay, I'm gonna save this and drizzle a little bit on those nectarines. There we go. So I love the sashimi with fruit, don't you, babe? Mm-hmm. So delicious. All right, so we're gonna get going and hang up here and get this thing plated and organized. I'll take pictures of it when we're done. But in the meantime, please wear your mask. Pissed me off last night seeing people without masks on. And ooh, monarch butterflies just flew by. You should see them, babe.
I've seen them every day.
I know, they're so
We've
pretty
got a
though.
ton.
I love them. So anyway, we are going to go meet clients today and physically distance ourselves while giving them a closing gift. And oh my gosh, we have an offer out right now for a client of ours who's buying a property. There are 14 offers. We've now revised our offer 3 times. So
before they've even reviewed it.
Yeah, they haven't even reviewed yet. They're like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, it's so stressful. I just want her to get this house
so prayers and good vibes on this one.
Yeah, everybody send us prayers because we really want our client to get this, and we're very stressful until she does. So anywho, that's our scoop. Stay physically distant while staying socially connected. And please wear your mask, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much for popping by. And Dean, I'm not sure if you were able to type in the channel or the link to watch the Oscars. Look, I've already promoted Jay. He's now hosting the Oscars instead of the Emmys.
Oh, jeez. Yeah.
I love him so much, I gave him a promotion.
That's a huge step up.
Right? Exactly. And we need to check eggs in the chicken coop too. See if those are
checked.
Today?
Yeah.
When?
There weren't any.
Oh, I put a new sign up. Did you see the sign?
No, I didn't.
Could you look at it and read it so I can remind you?
I know what it says.
What does it say?
It says something about pooping breakfast.
Well, can you read it? It's right out the window. I got this sign that my friend Richard and Todd posted on my Facebook, and I needed to have it. It says,
"Chickens, the pet that poops breakfast."
There you go. I like it. Chickens, the pets that poop
Man, it's
breakfast.
starting to look like a billboard. You get some of the signs.
I do have a lot of signs out.
Rise and shine, mother cluckers. The Hinden. What a chicken farmer.
Chicken Street.
Oh, I can't see that one from here.
I have a lot of chicken signs.
They're not going to be able to see out of their cage.
Oh, crazy. All right, guys. See ya.
As long as you don't start putting those stickers on your car.
I promise. No stickers on the car. No, no, no. Okay, take care. Crazy, crazy, crazy chicken mom.